Are you ready to download your wings1 hall ticket? If yes, let's get into the video.
Hi everyone, I'm Ashti here. Welcome to my YouTube channel.
In this video, I'm gonna tell you step-by-step process to download your wings1 hall ticket.
Before moving into the video, those who are watching my channel first time, please do subscribe.
Come to the topic, we already know that wings1 August cycle assessment is already started. Some of the students already completed their exam on end of the August, and some of the associates are having their exam on 7th September. For those, this video will helpful to download their hall ticket. To download your hall ticket, you just click on the link which is provided on Nomi post. Just go through that link. Then enter your credentials like your employee ID and password. Here, employee ID and password both are same. You can use your employee ID. Then click on CAPTCHA which is shown there, and then click login. After click on login page, you are redirected to this page where you can see your personal details like your employee ID and your name. There you can click on all option where you can see admit card option. Click on that. Then you can see your hall ticket. Click on that and download your hall ticket. So this is all about today's video. Just go through the link. I can also provide that link in description. Go through that link and download your hall ticket. And those who are writing their assessment on tomorrow, that is 7th September, all the very best for your exam from my side. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and do like, share, subscribe.